Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're reviewing what we believe is the best swim arm floaties for kids, the HeySplash Swim Vest. Designed for toddlers and children weighing between 22 to 44 pounds, this product is not just a flotation device, it's a thoughtfully engineered swim vest meant to build confidence and ensure safety in the water. Let's get started by looking at who this vest is made for. The HeySplash Swim Vest is targeted toward children aged 1 to 6 years old, making it a versatile companion from babyhood into early childhood. Whether you're taking your little one to the pool, the sea, or a boat trip, this vest is designed to keep them safe while allowing them to move freely and learn how to swim with ease. Now, one of the standout features of this swim vest is its security fit. With adjustable straps that accommodate chest sizes from 21.7 to 29.5 inches, it ensures a snug yet comfortable fit. The design of the straps, paired with a 3-key safety buckle system, ensures that only an adult can remove the vest. That means your curious toddler can't take it off on their own, a crucial safety feature many parents will appreciate. When it comes to durability, the HeySplash Swim Vest really shines. It's made from a thickened polyester fabric that not only feels smooth against your child's skin but is also built to last. The double-stitched seams prevent tearing, and the anti-fading technology ensures the vibrant colors, like the blue shark print we're reviewing today, stay bold even after repeated use in the water. Comfort is clearly a top priority in the design. The vest is lightweight and quick-drying, which keeps your child feeling fresh rather than soggy after time in the pool. The arm floaties, or water wings, are flexible, giving plenty of freedom to move, splash, and play. This not only makes the child feel less restricted but also builds their confidence in the water. The vest functions as a learn-to-swim aid, helping them gradually develop their swimming skills while remaining safe. Buoyancy is at the core of any swim vest, and the HeySplash delivers solid performance. It's built with high-density foam that's both lightweight and extremely buoyant. It keeps your child's head comfortably above the water, and that's exactly what you want when teaching them how to swim or just letting them have fun under watchful eyes. It's important to mention, and the manufacturer stresses this too, that adult supervision is always required when using this vest. It's a swim aid, not a life-saving device. But when used properly, it's an excellent way to get your child acclimated to the water. In summary, the HeySplash Swim Vest for kids brings together comfort, security, buoyancy, and fun design in one thoughtfully made package. It's perfect for families who spend a lot of time in the water and want a safe, reliable vest that doesn't compromise on movement or comfort. It's no surprise this product stands out as our pick for the best swim arm floaties for kids. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product breakdowns and recommendations that make parenting easier and safer. See you in the next one.